Check it out. It's a plug on the wall. This is good. This is okay. It's better. It's okay. So here I have an extension cord plugged into the garage. Every time I need to do something out here. Here I got a plug on the wall. I can hook a power tool to it, or I can put extension cord to it without running from inside the garage. So, what's up guys, Toned Up. Welcome back to my channel. This video I'm going to show you how to add an external wall jack outside your garage instead of running a cord. So if you're one of those guys like me, like to work outside your garage, do whatever, and it's nice to have an electrical outlet outside where you can access anytime you need to. Let me go ahead and show you how to install one of these electrical outlets. It's pretty easy. If you have an open garage like mine, where there's no sheetrocks and everything's exposed, I have a 20 amp breakers box over there, and this is the outlet I tap to get electricity from, and it has some wires running up. I have already installed some outside lights, tap into the power source over there, and I ran a wire across the top of the garage door over to that side, so I'm gonna tap into the wire up there to get power. So if you don't have wire going to that location, you may need to run some wire. I already have a wire going to the top part, so I'm gonna tap into it. So let's get started. So what I'm planning to do is just tap into it and run it from up there coming down and put a plug in here. And at the same time, maybe put a plug nearby here. I do have a drill press right here that I use from time to time. I always run an extension cord too when I need to use it. So if I put a outlet on the outside and one on the inside, I got ones available anytime I need to use it. I'm gonna cut a hole in the wall and run the wire in it and just put one of these electrical outlet. I got an old cover that's designed for outdoor. I'm gonna use that right there. Yeah. There's no marking on this plug right here. This is the largest slot on this side, so the white wire go on this side and the hot go to the side with the smaller slot. And there's a ground. There you have it. Having a plug way outside your garage. This way you don't have to run the extension cord inside your garage. You know, you can have power to work on some project outside. So I hope this video helped you, installing additional electrical outlet outside your garage door area. This way you can work on project without running an extension cord. And you have two power sources coming up on one plug. That's also helped too. Alright, thanks for watching and catch you next time. Bye.